Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about skincare, grooming and sometimes hair, so that sounds like a thing. Make sure you are subscribed. Also, come and follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of stuff you're not going to see here on YouTube, and TikTok, which is what we're going to be talking about today. Robert?
Yeah, I was going to say hello.
They know you. It's fine.
Well, you'll be surprised.
Yeah, true actually. So if you are new here, we are twins, we aren't the same peoples. Pupils. Skincare, makeup.
Hi.
We're recording together today because we have a special announcement at the end of the video, which you must stay tuned for. But today what I really want to focus on, more importantly, TikTok. You're not on it.
No, I'm not. I don't have a profile, but I have I'm gonna look at things profile.
Yeah, I feel like I have a profile, but I mainly use it to look at stuff and get tagged in stuff.
Yeah.
It's for the kids. We're not the kids anymore.
Yeah.
We'll leave it for the kids. One thing that I've really been interested in, I keep getting tagged in, is people making DIY sheet masks out of skincare products. And it doesn't make sense to me. I thought we would use this skincare mask, sheet mask making device. This device here to make our very own sheet mask out of some very popular skincare products.
I'm excited, James.
No, you're not. I thought we'd see if they're any good, if there's any reason for doing this, or if it's just a waste of product. You know the Ordinary's HA/BHA pill?
I know it like the back of my head.
You don't know it?
I do not know it.
So it's this like red...
The red one.
The red one.
I know it.
And people are just dripping over their skin and it's probably like killing everyone's
Is
skin
that the
stuff.
one that really burns people's faces
If you leave it on for too long.
And people do it on purpose.
They do it on purpose,
"Oh,
yeah.
surprising."
I couldn't get it in stock, so we have an alternative. This is So Natural's Red Pill Tingle Serum. It's the same thing.
Perfect.
Perfect. So we're gonna be using this in a mask, making a mask out of this and see if it has any kind of interesting or exfoliating properties. The other product we're gonna be using is a CeraVe product. This is the... I don't know because it's all in foreign. Yes, it's moisturizing lotion, sorry. And this is a mask that I saw on TikTok and they put some glitter in it. So this is biodegradable glitter with a mask for some reason. Hi, Editing James here. Excuse my office, I still haven't unpacked, but the audio in this video was corrupted and so was some of the video. So there's a few bits that I just need to slot in here. For some reason I'm sitting halfway off the screen through half of this video, but I just want to talk about the collagen peptides in quotations that the mask machine provides. So there's actually no collagen in here, no peptides in any way. What they do have, where is it? It's something called carrageenan, which is a seaweed basically, which is used to thicken cosmetics. There's a lot in here, so that's really what is making the mask thick. It's not gelatin. It's not gelatin. They do have tartaric acid in here, which is supposed to be an exfoliating ingredient. Everything else is literally just a thickening agent. There's no collagen in here whatsoever. What that is doing is the product is just mixing with those thickening agents that create the actual sheet mask. So yes, you are going to have a mix of some product in there, but I also think the sliminess of the mask was some leftover product, or it could just been some of the thickening agent left on top of the mask. So yeah, not so great. It's not so much with these masks what it's made out of,
right.
It's what it's dripping in. It's not going to touch your skin, it's probably not going to do anything. So when you get sheet masks, for example, they're this bit of cotton or gauze or netting or whatever. The idea of that is meant to just hold into the serum for you while it's on your face. So these masks actually being made out of this product, I don't think is gonna have any benefit whatsoever.
You can buy masks, like rubber masks. Do they? I can't remember. Are they covered in serum or
no? So they do have like that sticky. You mix it up.
Yeah.
The ones you mix up.
There's the ones you mix up, and then there's also the ones you buy in a packet, which come separate, like bottom of a face, top of a face.
So they're covered in serum.
Oh, right.
They're not made. So they're like, oh, it's made from gold, and it's like those cheapy AliExpress gold ones. Doesn't do anything. We know gold is a gimmick, but especially when it's not dripping in anything. Those sheet masks are just dripping in hyaluronic acid.
Another question.
I'm not taking questions right now. No, go on. No, did you have another question?
No, I'm done with questions.
Okay, it's just you have a lot of questions. So with this one, we're looking for a bit of a tingle because of the percentage of exfoliating acids in here.
I think you're about to say placenta.
Placenta.
Which, I mean, I would buy.
We're looking for a nice moisturised feeling after.
Nice, okay,
Cool.
awesome.
Please have pure water.
Yes, we're doing it.
Please have the new nutrient solution.
Yes, alright. Okay.
Then this is 20 milliliters.
What
Just
is that? That's a lot. Done.
there we go.
Sorry, were you ready?
Yeah. I'm constantly filming.
Okay, go on then.
Please add collagen peptides and press start button.
She's honestly so annoying.
You'll put this on.
Yeah.
What's the start button?
I think so. Hang on.
I don't know what's happening. Actually ready?
Yeah, actually ready.
Please
Now?
put mask
Yeah.
plate on table and pour
Alright,
out the
she's
mask
so
liquid on
annoying.
Oh,
the
do I have to hold it down?
Oh!
Oh, I see. It's like a box of wine.
Ah.
Please switch.
Well, it looks good.
Yeah, I guess we
Please pure water.
just wait now. So here we have it. Pardon me. The first mask. It's actually a little bit gooey.
Yeah, it is. I thought it was going to be like rubber almost, like really set.
No, like it's a bit slimy. So we're gonna try and get it out of this mask. Out.
Fold.
Fold. Okay, so I think the best thing to do. Okay, so we're gonna like cut around the edge. It smells so much. I don't know if it's the collagen, peptide.
It doesn't smell like the product. I remember sniffing the product thinking that smells actually quite nice. And so does the toner. I think it must be, you know, like you said, what's with it. And in fact that the product is heated up. Can it, because it comes out really warm, can that affect the effectiveness of a product changing its temperature?
Well, certain products are made to withstand certain heat.
Right.
So, you know, like they'll be fine in like
But
the
being
summer, fine in the
boiled
winter. But being
almost?
boiled, I'm not sure. It could do, you know.
Does it feel quite strong or does it... Is
It feels strong, but also feels like it's about to slip out my hand any minute.
Yes.
So, Robert, you're going to put this on. What we're looking for is a tingle. I go. Oh no! Oh, we're gonna have to put it on you in bits.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, so
Quick.
this is your cheek.
Oh, it smells
Oh,
like...
no.
Ah, it smells like arsehole. No, it won't stick to my skin.
Okay.
This is so shit. It stings, you know.
Is it stinging?
Really bad, actually.
Is it tingling? Hang on.
No, it's not tingling. It's like it stinging my skin.
Okay. So I would say that's a good sign that maybe you are getting some of the tingly burning sensation from the exfoliator. I don't know what we're trying to prove here.
No, I don't either.
Right, leave that on your head. Does it hurt?
It does sting, yeah. It feels like,
Have you ever used the Ordinary's peeling solution?
I haven't, no. I tell you what, it's not a pleasant feeling.
Okay, maybe we should take it off.
Okay, maybe it's because I just washed my face.
No, that shouldn't have anything to do with it.
Okay. How does anyone keep this on their face? It's so gooey.
It was shit. It fell apart in seconds.
Okay,
let's take it off. Okay.
Okay.
So I would say the fact that... Go and rinse your face. Alright, go rinse. Oh, your skin's going red.
Is it really?
Yeah, go rinse it.
It hurts when I'm adding more water.
Okay, just do cool water.
It doesn't look bad.
Doesn't look bad. Whilst you're applying that... So this is a moisturiser that's just hopefully going to help strengthen your skin barrier. And your irritated skin. First of all, shit, it fell apart.
Absolutely shit.
Absolutely shit. Second of all, it did come out with a goo in it, almost like a serum.
So have you seen people actually like succeed at doing this?
Yeah.
And getting like a good quality mask from it? But what an
Maybe we do just need to do water instead of a toner.
Should we try water with
We'll
the
try
next
water
one
with the
then?
next one. Maybe you should use the next one because it's got serum.
I'd rather not put anything on my skin.
Oh. It's got like a serum over it, so I think some of that product is still laying over the top
Yeah,
of
it
it.
looks very edible.
Yeah. Obviously we use a lot of the product as well, and you wouldn't ever apply that amount of product to your skin, but I thought because it's going to be encapsulated in this gelatin, it's not even going to be touching you, but I do think some of that solution must be in there because it was
Oh my
starting
god,
to
that's
irritate your
horrific.
skin.
Yeah, I don't like that at all.
No. So, not successful, but maybe these masks do have something to them. So the next one we're going to do is the CeraVe hydrating lotion, I think it's called. I don't know, it's all in foreign. Let's go over to the machine and do it now.
Please add the nutrient solution. Please add the nutrient solution. Please add collagen peptide and press start button. Peptide and press start button.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing.
You need to hold it down a little bit, but slowly, gradually. There's no glitter in it. Quick, sprinkle it on. Can you smell that?
Please switch to clean mode by pressing start button.
It fucking
Oh god, it smells like
stinks.
shit. Put some clips
That's
in.
actually making me feel sick. I hate that. That smells
Please
like
switch to
fish.
clean mode by pressing start button.
So the second mask is ready. So this smelled like fish. The moment it came out of the machine, it smelled like latex. If you ever worked with latex before, it's like that fish glue.
Or like a eyelash adhesive. It was really latex and fishy.
It's fucking disgusting. We forgot the glitter, so we just put it on top. There's a little bit in there, and it's kind of just melted away. Yeah, now it just smells like CeraVe.
Okay, cool.
I doubt it's going to stay on, but let's see.
That change in smell kind of says something about the change in formula and the change in ingredients and heating up these products. Like, has it changed?
Like, what is it
Slightly?
doing to it? I wonder. What. So this should be moisturizing. It should be moisturizing, hydrating.
It should add shine with that glitter.
Yeah, that glitter should give us a nice...
Do you think it's going to hold?
I'm going to try and put it on in one piece.
Quick. I don't know I'm recording because... Oh, that's much more of a success.
Alright, I can't see anything though.
You need to put it down slightly. It must have been... Oh, it's glitter on me. It must have been the product that we used in the first one that made it a little bit more... Or even the toner made it a little bit too slippy.
Yeah,
a little bit too
so
wet.
as you know...
That looks successful.
This feels really nice and cooling.
Yeah.
Again, it's got that same slimy texture that the other mask had, but it's got these beautiful...
Diamond details.
diamond details.
How do you think your skin's benefiting from it in any way?
No, I don't know what this slimy stuff is, but I think it might just be the collagen peptide tablet.
Yes, yeah, I think so. So if anything, it's just giving you that collagen kind of treatment.
I mean, now there's glitter on my face.
Oh my god, it's horrible.
What do you mean?
There's glitter everywhere.
It looks like texture.
Oh, I hate that
So much. Oh, that's horrible.
I can smell your face.
Can you? Like fishy, or is it just like the... That smell's kind of gone to the bottom of the mask and smells. I feel like it's just that collagen peptide tablet that's providing that layer.
Yeah.
So you can make this out of whatever the fuck you want, and then it just mixes together and you don't get any benefits from it. But maybe there is enough product left over to kind of coat it in something. I mean, we'll see. If I kept that on for a bit longer, I think that would have felt nice. Like it would have... I'm gonna have to wash this fucking...
Yeah.
Okay, so final say on this experiment that we don't know what it was about or what we're trying to prove in any way. Is there?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You need some tapes and tape.
Yeah, I won't be doing that. I just don't look like I'm in focus.
Your skin looks really smooth though. Like, as in texture, as in the surface.
But that's just my skin.
No.
It wouldn't be for putting that on my face for 30 seconds.
Maybe because it's drier.
Yeah, I think it's just because it's dry and all my oils have come off. So what I think these masks do is they obviously use that collagen peptide tablet. They mix it all up with the collagen peptide tablet. It heats it up so that melts into it and does create... Oh, it's like this jelly texture. I think when it sets though, there is still a little bit of product left in the mixture that kind of like sits around the surface and makes it that shiny gloopy-ness. It has to be because it stung you, so there must have been some of that product left.
Very true.
More product, more...
But I wonder if we left it to dry completely, whether that product will still be... Well, no, it wouldn't because it'd be dry completely.
Yeah.
But do you know what I mean? Like, I wonder if it's... I don't know.
I don't know. They're fun. They're fun to do. It's a bit of a waste of product, to be honest with you. Well, there we go. That proved absolutely nothing, and we learnt nothing.
Thank you for
this.
your time.
Thank you. But we do have an announcement, and that is that we have a joint channel launching on Sunday. Yay. So on that channel, we'll be talking all things skincare and makeup related. Together, we'll be debunking some hacks and myths. Our weekly podcast is also going to be over there once a month, so we'll be continuing with our podcast. But once a month, you're going to get a video version of it, and then a few other bits as well thrown in here and there. Little bits. So that is launching on Sunday. There is nothing up on that channel at the moment. Oh, there is. There's like a intro music on there at the moment. So go and subscribe. Let us know that you're subscribed. Comment on that video, and then we will see you there on Sunday with our first video. Also, go and check out the video we recorded in Rubbish.
Yeah, James did my makeup, and oh my god, you won't believe what happens.
We hope to see you over there very, very soon. But that's it from me now, guys. That's it from us now. We'll see you soon. Bye.